Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with monday.com for brand boards, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Type in the URL www.monday.com and hit enter. Once the homepage loads, look for the Get Started button. Click on the Get Started button to initiate the registration process. You will see options for signing up with an email or using Google. Choose your preferred registration method. If you select email, enter your email address in the designated field. Create a strong password and confirm it in the next field. If you choose Google, click on the Google button and follow the prompts to log in. After completing the initial registration, check your inbox for a confirmation email. Open the email and click on the link provided to verify your account. Once verified, return to the monday.com platform. You may be prompted to select your industry. Choose the one that best represents your needs. Next, you will be guided through a brief setup questionnaire. Complete the questionnaire to tailor your board experience. Now, it's time to set up your brand board. Click on the Create New Board button on your dashboard. Name your board something relevant, such as brand board. After naming your board, choose the board type that suits your workflow. You can select between a table, timeline, or other formats based on your needs. Once you've chosen your format, click on the Create Board button. Now, you can start adding your brand elements, like logos and color schemes. Utilize the various column options to input relevant brand information. Explore the available templates if you need inspiration or a starting point. Once you're satisfied with your brand board, you can invite team members to collaborate. Click on the Invite button located at the top right corner of the board. Enter the email addresses of your team members and send the invite. Congratulations! You have successfully registered and created your brand board on monday.com. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.